wanna see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you what we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one, we alone. Yeah.
Do the waist, do the waist, do the waist, do the waist. Do the waist. What?
Dance now, dance. Hey, look, hey, look. Hey, soca session.
One more.
You're recording.
Oh. Yes, that no. No.
Ziggy, you have to come up now. Come up now, Ziggy.
Huh?
Come up.
Oh. I don't know how to come.
Don't do this. No.
I can't. I can't do that.
I'm gonna show you, Daddy. I have to do it like this.
Ziggy, say. Ziggy, other way, Ziggy. 2, 3, go. Hey.
Hey.
Come, let me show you. Come. So ready? 6, 7, 8. Yo, me and Ziggy have been trying to learn how to dirt since last night. It's the most funniest thing ever. But anyways, we are done doing all that
I need someone to come teach me.
You say you're gonna cut me off again?
I'm sorry.
What is wrong with you? All the shenanigans that we were doing earlier were done. I hope you guys liked the intro. Let us know down below how you guys feel about it. 2022, we here for you. And what you gonna do when we come for you, bad boys? Let us know down below. Oh yeah. You're so extra.
Yeah. Me want to go in a bar.
Really?
Yeah.
Woo. So let me show them this wine. Every wine we're gonna drink now, we're gonna show you guys. So Ziggy went and bought this wine the other night. He was trying to be you say you cut me off again?
I'm just saying something, sorry.
He tried to be spontaneous the other night, and I love Chardonnay, so this was a new one that I tried. You guys can try it out. It's not bubbly. I like that. Yeah, I like that cut. It's not bubbly. It's like but it's smooth. It can go on. But yo, we didn't even cheers to anything, Ziggy.
Cheers to the new year.
Cheers to the new year.
Cheers to Nala.
Cheers to our family. More kids in the future. I miss you with you. Shame. Doing? What you doing?
Eating popcorn.
What's your belly? I don't know what that is, but yo, I know someone was reaching out to me to ask me. Oh, this is lean. Oh. So first, this guy is here like, oh, I want to do stew pork. Then you say you want to do creamy garlic chicken. Then you want to do sweet and sour chicken. Now you come and say you want to do what?
Stir fried chicken. Bro, it like some people say this is the hardest thing, but to me hardest thing in a life.
To what? Know what to cook?
Of course,
it's
like to decide what to cook.
Let me tell you what
majority of the time.
The issue is that we cook everything. So the one time when you're gonna go cook now again, you're just like, oh, we just had that. Or I don't know, maybe you're just tired of the regular food and just want something different. I don't know.
Yo, I don't know. You just come like, I eat a chicken, fish, shrimp.
So what else are you supposed to eat?
Like you come like, have to go try some alligator tail and some snake and then Sunday like change up the menu. You see me?
Some what? You want rabbit?
Meat rabbit already?
I've never. Remember you tried to make me eat rabbit?
I eat rabbit.
Do you remember? He tried to make me eat rabbit and I was like, I'm not eating. What, you want frog? Frog.
Like, suppose you come down to like Sunday. You say, you can't get no chicken and then this Sunday.
I'm not eating it. I will turn vegetarian and eat
grass.
Yes.
But then you go eat what the dog them do the pan. Me rather kill a snake them and name them.
But the snake is still going through the grass. You don't know if they go over poo or
Me
not.
then wash him off. You know, it grass.
You can't wash off the grass. I'll wash it with soap too. Take out your mouth, Nella.
Me continue meat. Snake meat. Alligator tail.
Whoa, what happened there?
And them sitting there.
Okay, well, you know what, guys? My shoulder is doing a little better. It's not even my, I don't know how, I think, you know what, the day when we were getting the stuff out the room and I lift up that big thing? The bin? When we were sending the thing down to Jamaica, the bag in the back room. I don't know if you remember when I lifted up the bin when I was looking for the baby bag.
And you just start feeling.
Yeah, like the day after. It was the day after when I started to feel it.
Why? One thing you know? Hey.
Everything always do me, I know.
You see Nisha delicate your friend. Nisha come like one of them sitting there. You have to just take time with her. Big man thing.
Allow me.
Take time. I never test it.
Oh my god, Ziggy, get out of here and go find something to cook. But yo, let us know down below. Like I said earlier, if you guys are feeling the new intro. Just did something quick and simple. But yeah.
And well, me know the majority, you know, I want to probably watch Spider-Man already. But
Spider-Man was good.
Well, me hear for a long time say Spider-Man wrong for the top movie them. You know, I'm kind of like AMC stocks, you know. So it's like me have to in a AMC settings, everything will go on with the theater and we have to find out say AMC rank well is second best movie world.
What was the other movie that we watched last night?
Oh, Sheng Yang Anthem. Sheng Yang.
Okay, Shensia. No, we watched what's it called? Shing Li.
No, Sheng Li, Sheng Yang, Sheng Lang, something like that.
No, you're saying the wrong thing.
I don't know what I thought though.
This movie is
new
old.
movie I call it Sheng Li or Li Sheng.
No, this is not even. You're looking at my phone and typing the right thing. Yo, I'm gonna put the name on my screen because I don't remember the name of the movie, but the movie was actually good. It's old, like it came out a long time ago. But
it's not old.
No, I mean it's been out. That movie's
yeah,
been
but
out.
It's not old.
I mean like it's been out. It's been out. Box who?
Hey.
Dirt.
No, I can't do dirt. I've been trying. Like anytime I learn it, I'm gonna just see me I do it like right through.
Dirt.
Yeah?
Dirt. Every time I go to try to do dirt, I feel like I'm doing ajibangs. Or whatever that dance is called. Can you move your jacket from behind my head? So Ziggy shampoo come and dry out my hair.
You use it?
I tried the conditioner.
Oh.
And it dried out my hair. Anyways, I'm gonna go finish editing because I actually have a lot of footages to edit. Because when I say I'm trying to be on top of this, I'm trying to be on top of this. So I don't know if Ziggy want to take you guys with him.
Bro, like.
On that note, we'll be right back. This vlog is about to end. We're about to go have some dinner. Ziggy's preparing something for us upstairs. And then...
What are you doing?
Oh! I was just saying this vlog's about to end. Just grabbing us 2 drinks right now. I guess we're gonna watch a movie or watch TV. I don't know, this past couple of weeks, this past couple of weeks we've been home because I am off work for a little, and then Ziggy just had the holidays to kind of like chill. So we've just been like chilling, watching movies and things.
That's mine.
Catching up. Yep, that's yours. So we're about to go watch a movie. So where's my rice?
Man, what's your rice?
How you not gonna take me on no rice? I want some of your rice. Just a little bit. Literally just a little. Let me show you. Tonight's dinner is kind of random. I was trying a piece of my dad's ham that he made. Corn, shrimp, mashed potatoes. What'd you make over here?
Stir fry.
Stir fried chicken.
Why are you laughing?
Okay, like stir fry. That's why I'm laughing. But yeah. So we're about to just eat. So yeah, we're about to just dig in and eat and watch a movie. I got a Fire Stick from my friend. It's actually really good because it has like a little bit of like the live TV. It has movies. It has all the TV shows. That's why we were able to watch Spider-Man. This is actually really good because I have an Android box upstairs and I pay for it like every 3 months, $15. But with this, I just did a one-time payment and that's it. So like right now, I don't even know if I'm gonna put back on my Android box. Probably just gonna stick with this. So if you guys are interested in the Firefox TV, and you guys are like in the Toronto area, Scarborough, let me know and I can hook you guys up. My friend does it. And it's just a one-time fee and then she got you forever. Look at your face. That's funny. Why are you acting like a baby? Y'all see how we had to bring Nala's bed in here last night? That's a whole nother story, Anyways, I'm about to go chill with my family, so hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. God, you can even wait for me? Big up yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share up the video. We'll see you guys in the next video. Juices. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone.